Okay, so the corito, we're gonna do the first part, which is the verse. Then we go E. Now we go D minor 2, E2, and A minor is gonna be 4. So that closes the verse, but if the verse is gonna be repeated again, then you do the exact same thing. And after those 4, you have to, I believe, repeat again the verse. Because if you're gonna go to the chorus, then you only do 2 instead of 4. You do 2 on minor and 2 on major. 1, 2. But instead of doing this, you just count 1 and 2. So it's like imaginary 2. So you go 1. I'm sorry, 1 and 2, 3, 4. And now you start with the part of the chorus. So the chorus, you could do the circle of fourth. Let me do the circle of fourth first. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, D minor, G, C, F. Now go B diminish, B half diminish. And now go E, and now go A minor. If you're gonna repeat the chorus, you could do the same thing, 2 minor, 2 A minor, and 2 A major. And you repeat the same thing again. And so if you do 4, you're done with the chorus, and you could go to either to the verse, or you could go to the part which repeats the same words like 1,000 times, and it goes like this. Or after those last 4, 2, 3, 4, you go down to D minor, and D minor is going to be the first chord of the part that repeats 1,000 times. So it's going to be 4. Now A minor 4. Going to be E4. And A minor again. And again, the same thing. Okay. Now, after you finish that, either the song finishes or it goes back to the chorus. Have in mind that the chorus could be the same part like I did right now, the one that repeats 1,000 times. It's basically the same thing. The chorus and this part that repeats 1,000 times, you could play the same way for either or, for the chorus or for the part that plays 1,000 times. The circle of the fourth, which is D minor, G and C. Okay, that part right there is called the circle of fourth, and it could be the part of the chorus, depending on the song, because not all the songs have that part. Okay, so that depends on the song. A lot of songs have it, but not all of them. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Write a text. Let me play it one more time, the whole thing, verse, chorus, circle of fourth, and the part that repeats 1,000 times. Let me play it again, everything again. Here we go. done. Okay. God bless.